Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on Redmi 15. Let's begin. First, let's simply check our control center. You can do that by expanding your control center just like that. And you will notice that we have currently lock orientation enabled. This means that if you would go to an application that supports both modes, for example the Chrome browser or anything like that, we can just rotate our device and nothing will happen. Though you will notice that a little icon appears. Whenever you click on it, you can actually manually change rotation. But we don't want to do it manually, we want to do it automatically. So, what we can do about it? Well, we can expand our control center once again, and then simply disable lock orientation. This means that orientation won't no longer be locked. So, if I would take the phone and rotate it now, you will notice that now it's working without any issues whatsoever. However, if you still have some issues, I would also just advise you to reboot your device. You can do that by clicking simultaneously power button and volume up button. Just like that, and then you want to simply move down to the reboot option. Why? Well, I know that this may seem kind of silly, but rebooting your device really does help. Why? Because whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is directly responsible for, you guessed it, screen rotation feature. And lastly, just remember that not every application supports both modes. The most prior example to this is probably games. For example, Clash Royale only supports playing in the portrait mode. However, like Clash of Duty Mobile or Genshin Impact or all of that supports only landscape mode. I typically record this video with showing calculator because normally calculator also rotates, but for example on Redmi it doesn't. Like, there's no way you can actually put your calculator in landscape mode. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.